Specialized Levo Expert. Many bike companies creating a bike that can do and make easy for your life to ride. Gumawa sila na may gear, may suspension, naka-disc na, may dynamo at ang pinakabago ngayon ay ang pedal assist. What is pedal assist? Pedal assist means you still pedaling pero natulong ang motor to pedal much easier. At yan ang good thing about this Levo. It offers 15% more power and more consistent performance compared sa traditional pedaling, lalo na syempre sa mataas at direct na daan. Thanks to Turbo 1.3 Bros motor. Ganda pa dito, itong pinaka-quietest motor and better power battery life. This frame is made of FAC 9M carbon fiber chassis and M5 premium aluminum rear end. 6 in geometry niya, roomy top tube, lower bottom bracket, and short chain stay. Cable routing is external with a command dropper post, and battery is located lower the down tube. Much neat tignan, syempre, mas maganda tignan siya. And stable integrated sealed dahil waterproof ang charging port nito. I already test na rin ang itong bike na to sa Timberland. It takes 5 to 6 hours bago mag-lobat. This battery is MI 504, features integrated trail display and ANT plus Bluetooth with mission control and connectivity. Speed is 15 to 20 mph. Depends sa setting ng control mo sa pad. Sinamahan pa ng SRAM components like hydraulic disc, brake-like code na kanyang makontrol ang bigat ng battery at motor. With oversized 200mm rotors front and rear. With matching OLEDs na RXF 36 150mm travel. A good suspension na kayang saluhin sa mga technical jumps. Buntik. And this is the available colorway of the Specialized Levo comp. And a Specialized Levo comp carbon. And this is the Specialized Levo comp carbon features and spec. Thank you guys for watching. I hope nakatulong ko sa inyo na spec dito sa Specialized Levo comp carbon and comp aluminum. So keep on watching. Thank you. Subscribe.